What's up, guys? I'm back. It's Curtis, C3 Garage Media. Hey, we're back in the garage today looking at IS300 Turbo. And as you may have seen if you watched my last videos, I had two drift days back to back. And that's hard on a car, especially when you're learning to drift. So today, I am in the garage going to fix some issues, or at least figure out what some issues are. Oh, and also, I painted my cam cover. I think it looks pretty dope. A little cleaner. Eventually work on cleaning this pig up. But the first big problem I have is I have an exhaust leak somewhere around the turbo here. So I don't know if it's on the downpipe, I don't know if it's on one of the turbo bolts, but I do need to figure that out. And I tore the connectors to my air fuel gauge. I already fixed that, but I'll show you what those look like. So come along with me.
This is the connector, sorry, let me get focus, for my wideband, and as you may be able to see, I had to basically cut and resolder all these connections. You can see how damaged the tranny is here. Basically, when I slid off the track when I was drifting, you probably saw it in my last video, it was like, ouch, severed that wire, or those wires, so my O2 sensor wasn't reading to the wideband in the car, and it yanked one of these wires out of the pin, so I had to re-pin it. I didn't get a video of that, which I should have, but now I'm going to go ahead and break this exhaust free so I can get the downpipe out of the way, and let's see where that exhaust leak's coming from. Okay, well, I can definitely see where my exhaust leak up there was coming from. I mean, my downpipe is very loose, so I don't know if that V-band just came loose up there or something broke on the flange, but I've been wanting to wrap this downpipe anyway, so maybe this is a good opportunity to pull it out and wrap her up.
Okay, as you can see, we got the downpipe out. I just left the O2s in. I did take out the O2 for my wideband sensor. Anyway, got the downpipe out. Just got back from the store. Got some titanium exhaust wrap. And I am going to deal with this heat problem once and for all. Alright guys, so we got our heat wrap, our heat tape. We're going to go ahead and start wrapping the downpipe. And first you want to get too close to your V-band up at the neck. I always recommend wearing gloves when working with this fiberglass. We're just going to loosely wrap this flex joint here. Okay, so here is the finished product.
fully wrapped. And I really don't need this part wrapped. This is well underneath the car. But this really is going to help underneath the hood. So I'm going to go ahead and put this bad boy back in. Okay, we got our wrapped down pipe installed. As you can see, that goes all the way down. Nice and wrapped. Keep a lot of heat out. Kind of slipped off this clip on the end, so I may just re-clip it here up at the top, but V-band's nice and tight now. That's not going anywhere. Should be free of leaks. We'll go ahead and hook the rest up and give her a try. Okay, you can see that we got the downpipe all wrapped and installed. All the wide bands are back in. There's that tile wastegate. Boom. Discharge. It's a done deal. Got the downpipe resecured and that fixed the leak. I did shove some extra heat tape kind of around the brake lines here. But yeah, it's rocking and rolling. Ready to go. I'm gonna go give it a test Air fuel's working. Feels good. Smell that exhaust wrap kind of burning in. Oh, cement track. Yeah, it's ripping. All right, let's see how the downpipe repair and wrap did. Leak's gone. That leak's gone, and header wrap looks good. So appreciate you guys watching. C3 Garage Media. I'm out.